Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. So I welcome you all in the new video of Python playlist. So in the last video, I have discussed about the string operation. So in this video, we'll talk about the string practices. Whatever the functions, what are the methods we have discussed in the last video, we'll practice here with some of the Python code. So let's get started. Let me share my screen. I have created a new file that is 5.string underscore practice IPYNB, and I have written some of the question of the Python based upon the string operation. So we will write the code and we'll try to experiment whatever we have learned in the last video. So let's get started. The first question is write a program to take input from the user as a name and return the length of it. So basically what you have done over here, so take one input from the user as and in that input as the name of the user, and then count how many words are there in their name. So let me write over here. So I'll take the one variable that is name equal to input, and over here I write enter the name, okay. And then what I'll do over here, I need to count the number of character available in that name, whatever the user is going to pass over here. So what I'll do over here, I'll take lent as a variable and I'll pass len function, and I'll try to find the name of the person. Okay, now print the length of the name of let's say name of the length of name in is length, that is basically the variable placeholder over here, right? So now let me execute this and I'll write over here, let's say Prashant. Okay, the total is a 8 character over here. Count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So there are 8 character in that name. So this is what we do write over here. Okay, let's go to the next code. Over here is asking write a program that take the user full name and format it properly. First letter of each word capitalize, rest lower. So what I have to do, let's say my name is Prashant Kumar Singh. So in that the P should be capital, rest all should be small. In the Kumar, K should be capital, rest all should be small. And in Singh, S should be capital and rest all should be small. So what I'll do over here, again I'll take the variable name and input. Okay, enter the full name. Okay, now once I have the name over here, what I'll do, I'll just take the name over here, name equal to name dot, I need to make this every words, the like every name, like Prashant, middle name is Kumar and last name is Singh, the first character should be capital. So what I need to use over here, just guess. Yeah, right, title. I need to write the title over here. If you have watched my last video, I think you will be able to get this. If not, please refer the last video where I have explained the string operation. And once you go through those videos, I think after that you will be very comfortable with this. Okay, now let's print right over here, entered name, is, and that's all as a name over here, name. And let me write the over here filtered, okay. And over here let's say print filtered name. Okay, now let's run this. I'll write over here, let's say Prashant Kumar Singh. See how I have entered over here, all are in lowercase, and after filtered it is the first letter of Prashant, that is P is capital, again in the Kumar K is capital, in the S Singh S is capital. So this is what I want from this code. Next, write a program to take a name as an input and display its both uppercase and lower version. Means you have to take the name and you have to print into the upper and lower both. So what I'll do over here, let's say I'll take a name equal to input, and over here just write enter your full name. Perfect. Now over here uppercase name equal to name dot upper. Perfect. And lower case name equal to name dot lower, and then print over here uppercase name is uppercase name, and print lower case name is lowercase. Perfect. Now let me print this and write over here, let's say Prashant Kumar Singh. So here you have the uppercase name and the lowercase name. Perfect. Now write a program to take the first name and last name and separate input, then join them with the space to create the full name. So what we'll do over here, take two input from the user, first name and last name, then join both with the space and then return that. Okay, so let's say first name equal to input, enter your first name equal to, and then last name equal to. Let me turn off this int. Okay, then over here enter your last name. Perfect. I've taken all both first name and last name. Then let's take the let's make the full name. So full name equal to first name, it should be first, F-I-R-S-T, first name. So let's copy this first name plus, give some space, and then plus means I am joining, concatenating first name and last name over here. Perfect. Okay, now print over here full name of the user is over here, just write full name. Okay, then just write your first name, let's say Prashant, last name Singh. Full name of the user is Prashant Singh. So now over here all are in lowercase. If you want to make this title, means the first character of first name and the last name should be capital, then you can use over here dot title as well. Okay, dot title. Now Prashant Singh. Okay, so the next question is write a Python program to take first name and last name, then display the first character of each. So what we need to do that, take the first name and last name, and from the both input just display the first character. Okay, so again what I'll do that, I'll copy the same from here, first name and last name, and then I'll write over here, let's say first character of first name, first name, that will be first name of 0, right? I have explained the slicing concept, so we are using the same slicing concept over here. Then first character of the last name, so I'll just copy this variable over here and I'll paste it over here, and then I'll make this last. Perfect. Now what I'll do over here, just take this last name and I need the first character of the last name. What I'll do, again I'll pass the 0. Why 0? Just go through the last bit, the string operation, you will understand. Perfect. Now let's print over here first character of the first name, first character of the first name is comma this one, first character of first name. Okay, and then print same first character of the last name. Just copy this over here and make this last name is over here. Just take this variable and paste it over here. Now, so enter the first name, let's say Prashant. Next is Singh. So the first character of the first name is P and the first character of the last name is S. Perfect. Now write a Python program to take an email address and use a string method to extract the user part before @ and domain part after @ using the split @. So what we need to do that, let's say that we are writing some email ID, that is, let's say xyz@gmail.com. So we need to split this before @ and after @ and print that. So what I'll write over here, email equal to input, and write over here enter your email ID. Perfect. Now I'll take the, let's say, part or splitted email, let's say splitted email equal to email dot split and @. Perfect. Now username equal to splitted email of 0 and domain name equal to splitted email of 1. Now let's first print the email. User email is, just write over here, email. Perfect. Now next print over here splitted email is, and write over here splitted email. Perfect. Now write over here print username is username, and print domain name is, just write over here this domain name. Just write over here, let's say prashant.singh@gmail.com, but this is not my mail ID, guys. Don't try to send email on this mail ID. Okay, so user email is prashant.singh@gmail.com. After splitting on this @ we are getting two I would say index over here. One is 0 index, that is prashant.singh, and there's a 1 index that is at gmail.com, and the username is prashant.singh and domain name is gmail.com. Clear? Now next, write a Python program to take a sentence and use a split to break it into words, then display the length of resulting list. So basically we need to take one sentence and then we need to split that out and we need to count how many words are there. Okay, so let's say corpus equal to input, and over here enter your sentence. Now words equal to corpus dot split. Perfect. Now print, let's say original corpus length is, over here len, and over here just pass corpus. Okay, then print words length is, and pass over here len words. Perfect. Now if you want to print the this corpus and words both, so you can just write original corpus is, I need to pass the thing over here, then corpus and the length is this, and then over here print words are over here, just pass your words. Okay, now right, Python is awesome. I am happy to teach Python to you. So the original corpus is Python is awesome. I am happy to teach Python to you. Original corpus length is 52. Words are, see, Python, this words, then is awesome, comma, then I am happy to teach Python to you. Means it is splitting the words, space and comma all together, and the word length is 12. Hope it's clear. Now next, write a Python program to take a word and a number as input, then display that word repeated that many times using the string multiplication like word into that number. So what I have to do over here, we have to take two input. First input will be word, second input will be number. So let's say first input I've taken hello and the number is 5. So that hello will write 5 times. Will multiply with 5 and it will write the 5 times. Okay, so let's write words equal to input, enter your word, enter your words. Okay, then number equal to input and enter your number. I'm doing anything wrong over here? Please pause the video and check and comment it out. What is the mistake I'm doing over here? Okay. Now I'll go next and then multiply equal to words into number. Okay, then print words comma words. Okay, and then print multiply as a multiply. Now words is, let's say Python. Okay, Python, and let's say 5. Cannot multiply sequence by not int of type str. What is the mistake I'm doing over here? Now I'll change this into int. Now let's see if it is working or not. It will work. Let's say 5. See, Python. Now what I have to do, that we cannot see this, right? See, it's very difficult to understand from where it is starting and where it is ending. So what I'll do, I'll just add over here some space. Okay, now let me try this. Python and 5. Only one time it came. Okay, what I'll do, I'll just keep this in bracket. I'll keep this into the bracket, then it will work. Python and 5. See, 1 2 3 4 5 working. Perfect. Let me try again. Python and let's say 10 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So that word is repeating 10 times because we are passing number as a 10, so it's multiplying that. Next, write a Python program to take a messy number name input, mixed case, extra space, and display the clean version using the combination of strip, title, or capitalize. So again, let's say name. I'll just take the name equal to input and enter your name. Perfect. So what I have to do this, I have to convert this into, first I have to strip if there is any extra space. So filtered name, let me make it smaller. filtered name equal to name dot split. First I'm splitting this, not split, sorry, I need to trim that, right? So strip, because I don't want to split the name, I want to strip that. So if there is any leading or trailing space in that, so it will remove the space from the end of the sentence word or from the starting of the word. Perfect. Now after that, what I'll do, filtered name equal to this filtered name dot title, I'll make, and then I'll print this. Let's say print name, and then print this filtered name. So now right over here, let's say first I'll add capital, then small, then again capital, Prashant, SHANT, then again KUMJR, and then SINGH, and some space I have given. Even I'll give the space to the leading, means at the starting of the word and at the end of the word. Perfect. Now enter this. See, it's making this perfect, right? I should write over PRASHPRA, but I missed the A. But at the end, whatever I have passed, it is filtering it out. It has make this complete name proper, right? It has removed the extra space, see, and then it has make this title. First character of each word is capital over here, right? So this is what I want to explain in the 9th program. Now 10th one. So what is trying to say, write a Python program to make sentence from the list of word using join word. Python is awesome. I am glad that I am learning. So this is what is given as a input, and I have to make the sentence out of that. What I'll do that for this, so I'll write over here sentence equal to dot join then I'll pass over here words. Okay, so what it will do, basically I've taken the empty string over here, and then I'm joining this word with this. Okay, and then I'll print it. That's it, print words and print sentence. See, but we cannot read anything, right? So just give some space over here. So the meaning of this, I am creating some extra I'm creating some empty string, and then I'm joining this along with that. So if you want to break this, let me first run this. See, now it's working, right? So if you want to break this, do like this over here. Let's say it's let's take this. I'll take on, let's say I'll give the name to flag to this. Okay, flag, and then I'll write over here sentence equal to flag dot join words. Same. What is doing that? This flag is having the empty string, and with that I'm joining all the words. So join words with join function over here, joining all the words with this empty string. There's a space, so it's creating the space between each words and creating the complete sentence over here. Now if you don't give the space, it will be very messy, I would say, sentence, and you cannot read that. And if you want, you can also give some delimiter over here, and it will work. See, so depend upon how you want to create this empty string. You want to pass some special characters or some delimiters, whatever you want, or space, and then you want to join your words along with that, it will work. Perfect. So this is it with this video, guys. I hope you like this. Please like and subscribe, and please share with your friends. See you in the next video. Be connected and practice the Pythons. Thank you so much.